Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got our IPSY Ultimate to unbox. I'm very excited. This has so many products in it and I think I have a couple add-ons too. So I've got so many things to show you. And if you didn't see, I did go ahead and unbox my IPSY Plus yesterday. So that's my previous video. If you want to check it out, it will be linked at the very end of the video. So be sure to stay tuned and check that out. I also have a new banner on my channel and a new end screen. So if you wait until the end of the video, you will see that as well. I think it's really cute. So yeah, I'm so excited to dive in. I will also be filming a big try on with all my IPSY products for the month. I'll also do that with BoxyCharm, but that will be a little later on in the month. So be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you know when those videos upload. I always do several unboxings every month, so you should definitely subscribe and stick around to see more. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in to the box. A little rundown and reminder for IPSY Ultimate. It is $50 a month. You are guaranteed a $250 or more value. You also get 8 full sizes and 4 deluxe sizes, and you do get to pick one product. I honestly do not remember what I picked in this box, as per usual. So first off, let me show you guys a couple of my add-ons. If you don't know, you can get points for reviewing all your products and for referring people to IPSY. So if you sign in and look at your points section, you'll be able to see how many points you have and items you can redeem for points as well. So I've been kind of like letting mine build up, so I had a lot. So the first thing I've got with my points is the MURAD AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. Now I love me some MURAD, and this one's really good for breakouts, for exfoliating. It's gentle enough that I can use it frequently, and it's got alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acid, so leaves your skin feeling really smooth, but it's not very abrasive or harsh on the skin. So yeah, I love this line from MURAD, any of the purple packaging. Moisturizer, I've got a spray, a serum, it's just so good. I also picked up a YENSA Super 8 lip oil. Now this one I probably picked a few weeks ago, and the MURAD cleanser just maybe like a week ago, so they packed it in my box really quick. So this is the Pink Shine lip oil. It looks really pretty. I don't know if you can see that color well, but it's kind of like fluorescent looking. It's super, super bright. Let's see. I'm gonna risk it. Ooh, obviously you can't see the color, but it smells kind of like watermelon-y, and it's very shiny. It feels thin though. It's not super thick like some oils. Hey buddy, Mr. Minner's jumping in the video early today. Something I used to do at Sephora is when my liquid lip would get a little bit too dry, I would get the Clarins lip oil and put just a dab and kind of like pat it around like that, and it would just kind of turn it into more of a creamy consistency, but it didn't like mess it up, which sometimes they don't mix. Like this could be disastrous. I don't know. I'm gonna be putting on a mask later, so who cares? I like my makeup today, even though it's just simple with a little pop of color, but So now time to get into the box. First off, we've got the bag. So this is a different color from the Plus one, but I think they're really cute. This bag has little ladies on it. It's really, really cute. I love the differentiation. We're representing different skin tones, different hair colors. There's a lot going on here, and it's really cute and summery. And the little zip actually matches the other bag, so you could definitely keep them as a set. I probably won't keep all the bags just because if I do that every month, it'll just be outrageous. I'll just have so many freaking bags, but I definitely love this. It's kind of roomy, but it's not as big as some of the Ultimate bags. This is definitely perfect for like a day or two of makeup trip. I would probably need more room, but you know, most people would probably be fine. All right, let's see what else we got from the BALM. This is the Auto Balm Pick Perf Shadows on the Go. So it looks like this. It looks like a little license plate. It's so cute. Oh, this is actually really pretty. It's got some neutrals and has a primer in here. So we've got some neutral tones, but you've also got like a few really pretty like jewel tones, but still they're like deep and understated. And this Pennsylvania looks like it might have a little bit of a like a hunter green in it, but still very neutral. This is pretty. And you can pop this out of here as well. So if you go through all your shadows, you can use this as a little like compact, put bobby pins in it or something. That would be a good way to use it. So this is really cute. I'm actually excited to use this, and I feel like this would be a great travel palette. It actually goes really well with that bag too. All right, we got from Wonder Beauty. I think this is Precise Brow Gel from Wonder Beauty. Oh, cool. I can always use some brow gel. I use brow gel every single day because my little brow hairs are so fine that they want to like do their own thing. I just use it to hold my little brows together. I'm excited to try this one out too. I have had mostly a good experience with Wander Beauty. Like, for the most part, I've liked everything that I've tried, so definitely excited to try this one as well. I guess I'll go ahead and get this product out of the way, and I'll go ahead and be like a party pooper, Debbie Downer, sorry. But this brand do switch. Somebody said that's how you pronounce it, because the first time I was like, this brand you've probably seen in subscription boxes. That's the name right there. I had a palette from them one time and I just thought it was awful. That's not to say that everything they have is going to be awful, for sure, but from what I've tried from the brand, I have not been impressed. These are the shadows. They have some really like good neutral tones in them. Now this, I think this is a highlight, looks really pretty, and if I were interested in keeping the shadows, I would totally try out this highlight because it looks gorgeous. But I'm just going to show you. That's the color of the highlight. It looks pretty, but personally I think I'd just rather leave this intact and give it to someone else to give a try. I feel like if someone was doing like more normal, quote unquote normal eyeshadow looks, they would probably really like this because it's basic. If I didn't have so much makeup, I would give it a try and see if it's better than the other, but I've already got an eyeshadow palette in this box to use in my video. Alright, we also got Huda Beauty. This is the Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. Basically just a little makeup sponge, which you cannot see at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. The oil's actually doing really well over that liquid lip. This is the sponge. It has like one little flat side and it's rounded elsewhere. Feels a little too firm. Honestly, I like a sponge that's either the firmness of a beauty blender or softer, like the Stands Out Beauty Sponge. The e.l.f. one I've been using a lot. I actually used today for my face and I loved it too. So those work way better for me. If it's too firm, I just typically don't like it, but we're gonna try it because sometimes they do swell out a whole lot and become much softer, but usually by like the first little bounce I can see like, is this for me or not? But that being said, it probably works really well with the Huda foundation because that foundation is like super thick. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a try because I'm open to try new sponges, but we're gonna see. Next up we have a mini, the UFO Ultra Clarifying Acne Treatment Facial Oil. This is from Sunday Riley. I actually have a full size of this open that I'm currently using that I love to put in my T-zone because I love to put oils all over my face, but sometimes I'll put that one just on my nose where pores are larger and maybe getting a little bit clogged. So I will just pass this along to someone else, but I do like it. I've used it and I enjoy Sunday Riley products a lot. All right, we got the, is this BioRace? I think that's the name. Pore Tightening Pearl Clay Mask. This is also a Korean brand. So it looks like this month they're incorporating some K-beauty into our boxes. That's what it looks like. Reduces the appearance of pores, draws out impurities. Apply an appropriate amount of the clay mask onto skin, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse. Okay, good. So it's not a peel off mask because usually peel off masks that are designated for like pores or exfoliation, I'm like, heck no. No thank you, because they kind of like adhere and pull so much off. Now, they're not all super painful, I know, but I would just prefer to do it another way. But I will definitely try out this clay mask. Alright, we got something from Il Makiage, and I'm so excited to try this. I love their mascara. I think it's amazing. So this is the Infinity Longwear Matte Lip Cream, and I got the shade Matte Geisha. So here is the packaging. So I expect it to be like a brighter red. Ooh, this packaging is heavy. This is like some sturdy glass stuff. Ooh, that's what the packaging looks like. It's really pretty. This applicator also is a little tight coming out the opening. So here it is. That's a beautiful bright red. If this does not dry down too dry, I'm going to love it. If the formula's anything as good as the formula of the mascara is, then I'm going to be ecstatic because I do love that color. I love a bright red. I need to wear bright reds more often too because I keep putting on like pinky purples and nudes like every single day because I'm doing more colorful eyes, but I probably could have done a red today and pulled it off. It probably would have been okay. I got from Laura Geller the Spackle Mist Restore Coconut Water Prime Set Refresh. Okay, so this just seems like a...
Manners, hey. Yeah, do you want to go out? Crazy?
So this seems like a good old hydrating setting mist that you can use to prime as well and refresh your makeup. I'm definitely excited to try it. I used to have a lot more Laura Geller products and I feel like the bake stuff just kind of like went away as people started using more like full coverage, things like that. But I'm interested to try this out because I have enjoyed a lot of Laura Geller products in the past. So yeah, we're gonna put this to the test when I try out all these products. All right, we got a Ciate Wonderland mascara. I think I actually just put a full size of this in my Instagram giveaway, but this is just a small guy of the mascara. I actually think I might have like more than one of these, but I'm gonna see. If this is the only mascara I get, I will try this in the video, but I don't know if I've tried it yet. I'll have to look in my stash and see if I already have one, because I think I might. All right, Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. I'm pretty sure I have this as well. I'll double check, but this is a Pores No More primer, so it's smoothing to the pores, but also has some luminosity to it. So I love that one for this reason, because you get like the best of both worlds. So I'm excited to use this in my video. I feel like this was really good, but I've only used it a few times, so I feel like it needs a little bit more love. So I'm excited to use that again. We got from Naked Cosmetics the Vanilla Cream Lip Scrub. Ooh, that smells good. It's lightly scented, but it's just like a little lip scrub. Pretty simple, but we all need a good lip scrub, especially if you are still wearing matte formulas. You want your lips to be really smooth and, you know, a good canvas for it so it doesn't get too crusty. We have one more item. This is from SHAINA B Miami. I feel like I should know this brand a little bit better. I've gotten a couple things, but I'm not that familiar, and I think the other thing I got I actually gave away, but it looks really cute. It's got little flamingos on it. Same packaging here. So it looks like we have 2 blushes and 2 highlights, little flamingo print on them. They look really pretty. Because I didn't try the other item from this brand, I'm gonna swatch that. Pretty shiny. That one's Sugar Bomb, and then there's Guava Glow, which is more pink. I might do like a little mixture myself if I was going to put those on, but I'll save it for the video because I'll probably wind up using this in the video for blush and highlight. So this is cute, I have to admit. Even though I'm not like super familiar with the brand, I'm definitely excited to try it out and see how it works. You flamingos. Alright, so that is all the products that I got in my IPSY Ultimate, along with a couple add-ons as well. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the goodies. I'm going to add up a total and I'll put it up here on the screen and give you guys the exact total value once I look all these products up. Of course, they don't put the paper in there, but you can always refer to your IPSY account and look at your bag and go through the products there if you're curious about prices of your products or where to buy them, things like that. So that is it for this video. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you enjoy. I love doing unboxings, and as long as you guys enjoy them, I'm going to keep on doing them. And of course, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell as well. I also do have a giveaway on Instagram, like I told you guys. You can follow me on Instagram at Amy_Erica, just like my name up here. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys again, and I will see you in my next video.